Welcome everyone to KSWB. We're going to go through my favorite bag. My favorite bag, okay? When I show it, it's gonna be familiar to some, unfamiliar to others. But when I see this bag, oh my goodness, it just brings me so much joy. I did a haul today of a Sephora. Yes, Sephora, my favorite bag. When I see this black and white bag, I know it's full of goodness, and I'm excited to tell you what's in it. So, on my trip to Sephora today, I picked up Brazilian Bum Bum Cream. Woo. I love this stuff. Tom Ford, some Soleil Blanc, Pat McGrath. Let me tell you, Pat McGrath is a well-renowned black makeup artist, and she has some new product out, and so I picked up this mascara from Pat McGrath and also this lovely lip shine. So a little haul of what these things are, why I got them, and then show you how to use them, do a quick little demo. So first thing I'm gonna start with is this Brazilian Bum Cream. So I first got a sample of this as like a beauty insider at Sephora, and you know how you can get little gifts, and I think this might have been like my birthday gift or something. I don't really remember, but I tried it and I was like, oh my god, I love the smell of this stuff. And my husband actually loved it too, so I had to get a bigger one so he could have some, so I could share. I'm gonna open it up, and this is what I love about it. It's a cream, but it's not heavy. It's a pretty good consistency and weight, and it smells divine. So this is what it looks like, and it's an all body butter cream that you can use it on everything. So when you open it, I wish you all could smell it. It is just so good. So before I went and got this larger one today, I actually put the body butter on my arms. I just put it on my arms. I didn't put it everywhere else. And then I layered it. We may get into like fragrance layering later, but I layered it with my clean Radiant Nectar so that I smelled like summertime fun. I smelled fresh and clean and just uplifted. And so before I went to Sephora, like I made a stop, and the women in the store were like, what is that you're wearing? What is that you have on? And like, oh, me? A whole me? Oh, well, I have on this Bum Bum cream, and then I layered it with the clean Radiant Nectar. So this is an awesome combination if you want to give that a try. Let me put it on my hands so you can see the consistency of it. This is what it looks like, and you only need a little. A little goes a long way. And so, see, it's so good. It's pricey. I will say it is a pricey jar. This is $45. So it's an investment, but it will go a long, long way. So that's the Bum Bum Cream. Pat McGrath Dark Star Mascara. The reason why I purchased it is, one, every 6 months, you should actually throw out your mascara because your eyes have a lot of gook and things, and they carry bacteria. So you every 3 to 6 months you should switch out your mascara. Anyway, so it was time for me to get a new mascara. But also when I walked up to the display, you know, they always get you with the display because it was right at the front of the store. Listen, this packaging, everything, and the brush, the spoolie on this mascara, I was like, oh, she is good as purchased, because I knew from the spoolie that I was going to get a lot of volume and definition on my eyelashes. Now, here's the thing. My eyelashes on one eye, my left eye, they're straight, they're sparse, they don't have a curl. In my right eye, they're curlier and a little more dense and defined. So I'm just doing a little because I already had on a little. But you see how it like instantly gave me more definition. So this is just a little demo. When you put it on your mascara, just a tip, you start at the base and you wiggle up. Start and wiggle up. Now, I don't know if I'm going to need to do all of that with this mascara, because the spoolie, the brush is so good that I don't know if I'm going to need to do all that. But see, she took these little babies far. So love, love, love that. And the second thing that I got from Pat McGrath, ooh, I like how that opened, was, look at it. Look at this packaging. You all, packaging is everything. And that's probably where most of the money goes, to packaging. But this is called Lip Fetish D-Vinyl Lip Shine. And I got it in the color Temptress. So let's see how it looks on. Listen, fire. So good. Let me tell you, now that we're in the land of COVID, we're not going anywhere anytime soon. You can't go into Sephora and try things on your lips or your eyes. You can test on your hands, but you can't put anything on your face. Makes sense, right? So I didn't get to try this on in the store. We just tested it on my hand, and it left so much shine on my hand, and I was like, I gotta do it. I gotta go for it. And it feels like a lip balm, but you see how much shine it gave me? Like, come through, Pat McGrath. Come through. Love it. So these products, I think they're pricey, because again, I'm at Sephora. You guys, I just realized I had a gift card that I didn't use. That just give me another reason to go back. This lip shine, I think is $30. And this mascara is $36, I believe. Kind of pricey, but so worth it. This is the last item, and it is Tom Ford Soleil Blanc, right? So I've had my eye on this fragrance for a while, debating if I should get it, because the Eau de Parfum is 105 or 125, 145. It's somewhere between $105 and $150. And I was like, I don't want to spend that, but I do want to try the perfume. So when I was in Sephora today, I saw that they had the Eau de Toilette spray, and so I was like, well, I'll just try the spray on and see how I like it. So what I'll say about it is, from all the reviews, like, it's people's top favorite summertime fragrance. It's a warm fragrance. I'll say when I put it on my body, when I sprayed it, it felt like I was out at the beach. And it When I first put it on, it smelled a little bit like, you know, like your sunscreen spray. But then as it wore off, you know, as you get into more layers, then it smelled just more like a warm, fun day at the beach. And summer is coming to an end, but you still want to feel that. And I think that's what you wear perfumes and fragrances for, right? It's what is the vibe that you're going for? What's the mood that you want? And depending on your mood, that's the fragrance that you should get. If you are feeling like it's a little dreary outside and I want to feel like I'm on the beach, that I'm on South Beach or something, this is it. This is it. If you're looking for a mood lifter, perfumes, fragrances are instant mood lifters. So I hope you all enjoyed my very first Sephora haul. There'll be more to come because, again, like I said, this is my favorite bag. All right. Love you.